welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're taking it to the streets, to the streets of Kano. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the street food you find in Kano, Nigeria. Some of the foods that are very popular on the street of Kano. I had to pick my baby girl up. So hi, my name is Jennifer Agombiade. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you are highly welcome to my prestigious channel. Please do well to subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I share my faith on this channel. I share videos on relationships. If you're single and you're looking for godly advice, relationship advice, I am your plug. If you want to have a good walk with God, if you want to learn how to hear from God, learn how to develop a relationship with God, learn how to apply your faith, I am also your plug. If you want to find out what is going on in Kano, Nigeria, how are they living, what's going on in this town, how much is food in this town, I am your plug. Subscribe to this channel, okay? Let's get this thing going. This is my baby girl, Ife Oluwa, my first child, my first seed. And I'm a mom of two. I stay in Kano with my husband. I stay in Kano with my husband and my two girls. So subscribe to us again and get all the teas. So let's get right into today's video. So this is one of the most popular waina spots in my area. Waina is masa in other northern states, but in Kano specifically, they call it waina. Waina is just blended rice, corn or guinea corn, any one. They make it into a paste and they put it into this thing you're seeing. She's putting oil. She puts oil before she puts in the paste and all of that. So this is generally how it is made. It is delicious. It's usually served with soup, which I'm going to be showing you guys after now. So you can see her putting oil into the pan. So this is like a baking pan, a local baking pan. Putting oil. So now she's going to go ahead and put the paste. Can you see? Can you see? Wow. And then it bakes into those round stuff you would be seeing eventually. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. So this is how it is served. It is usually served with soup or with yaji, pepper. Yaji is also known as pepper. They have a special yaji made for this, and they also have a special soup which is called groundnut soup. But Hausa people call it miyan taushe. That is what they use to serve this. In fact, this woman, there's a particular time you will come in the morning and you will not get it. I think by 8 o'clock, by the time you get to this place, everything is finished. And she makes a lot of it every day. If you're still watching up until this time, it is time to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. This is another popular spot in Kano. It is called Nasara Suya. Here, this place, I came by this time, right? This time, it is usually very scanty. But within 7 and 8, if you come to this place, it's a market square. So what they basically do here is a special kind of suya and gurasa. That gurasa. I remember when I came to Kano, how I did not like that gurasa until I tasted this particular one. This one is special. In case you find yourself in Kano, please do well to check these things out. They mix gurasa and this special yaji. This is the gurasa this guy is cutting. So it's basically like wheat bread, just basically bread with salt that they do in a certain way without yeast, and then they make it. They put cabbage. You can see the cabbage is cutting. They add onion. They add cucumbers. They add tomatoes. You can see. They put groundnut oil, and then they'll add this yaji, this special yaji. See, this mixture is live. So most Kano people just buy these things. All of these laborers, they just buy this thing. After a long day of work, you eat it, you are full. It's very, very filling. But you can also take it with suya. This special suya that they use, kuli. I don't know what kuli is in English. In case you know what kuli is in English, please let us know in the comment section. They usually use kuli and pepper, yaji, this special yaji for this particular one. They roast it like this. It's usually very delicious. Mix it with that gurasa and it is the bomb, I tell you. So among all of these foods that I've mentioned, let me know the ones you have tried, the ones you have tasted, if you have ever seen anything like this in your place, if you enjoy anything like this in your place. That's my husband there. If you enjoy anything like this in your place. Oh, they also sell chicken. This is like chicken for, Amaria. This one, new wife. Now they enjoy this in past for Hausa man house. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever experienced anything like this or if you know any of these things. If you're enjoying this video, please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about all of these. Subscribe, click on the notification. It's about to get lit on this channel. There's so much in store for you on this channel. When you finish watching this video, go back to my playlist, or go and check my old videos. I have so many interesting videos about Kano Resort. I have some about nightlife in Kano. I have so many interesting videos about Kano. That's my husband. The oil they are adding on this suya is what gives this suya life. Is a lifeline of this suya. That's what makes it juicy and moist and delicious. Now this is our order. We've been waiting since, so as in I have to cut this video. We've been waiting since. This is our order, and this is what we are getting. We're getting suya and gurasa. And then, of course, there's this special fura. Maybe one of these days I'm going to take you guys there and show you guys how that fura is made. So subscribe, okay? Subscribe, okay? So this is another kind of suya spot. This one is called balango. Hausa people call it balango, even though most what's it called? Most Westerners will call it suya, but this is called balango. This is also served with gurasa. Can you see his gurasa in this nylon? It's also served with gurasa and that waina I showed you guys in the beginning. So this particular one, you can go with waina. Can you see the waina in there? This one, the meat is usually fried in fat, so it's usually juicy and delicious.
So Suarez that himself is not dragging highest goal scorer with Messi.
It's a lie.
From another club.
Why?
Because he's scoring goals there.
So hi guys, did you guys hear my husband telling me about football? See me saying it's a lie. Why? I have no idea what that guy is talking about. Let me know in the comment section if you're like me. You don't know anything about football. You have tried to watch football, but they work. See, I followed him to football house. I've watched it in the house. Tried it in every way. Just work. Just day my body. Day my blood. Let me know if you're like me in the comment section that you just listen to your husband and just try to engage him. Not because you actually like football, but just because you get me. So let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do these kinds of videos, please let me know also in the comment section, and I'm going to gear up and get it for you guys. Thank you for watching this video up until this point. Subscribe, okay, if you're not subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Oh, thank you to all my new subscribers, all of you that just joined us recently. Thank you. I see you. I see the love. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys. Mwah.